Welcome to our mathematics classroom. For today's objective, we are to express and explain outcome in an experiment. When we say probability, it is the likelihood or a chance of an event to occur. Most likely or equally likely, when we say most likely, it occurs more than the others. Equally likely when it occurs the same number of times as the others. Least likely when it occurs the least number of times than the others, and it is impossible if it will not absolutely happen. Let us try. More likely you will do the woe. Equally likely you will do the dop on both sides, and then least likely you will do shake your hand down, and then impossible you do the cross. Let's try. For example, you are given with this color wheel. What is the probability of landing on color pink? 10 seconds. Great job! It is impossible. It's impossible to land on pink since there's no color pink. Number 2, what's the probability of landing on color yellow? Equally likely. Great job, because there's an equal number of yellow and violet. Landing on color violet, equally likely because there's the same number with color yellow. Landing on color red, least likely because there's only one color red in the color wheel. Landing on blue, most likely because there are 3 parts of blue in this given color wheel. So it's most likely to be picked. When you are given with 1 or a dice, what is the probability of landing on number 6? Equally likely because each one having the same occurrence in this dice. So it's equally likely. Let's say, for example, you are given with a bag of marbles with color blue, red, and green. What is the probability of picking a color blue? So when we're trying to find the simple experiment, you have to write as a numerator is the number of favorable outcome, and the denominator will be the total number of outcomes. For example, you are to get the probability of picking a red marble. How many red marbles are there? There are 9 red marbles, and a total number of marbles inside the bag is 20. So the probability is 9 over 20. Next, what is the probability of picking a green marble? There are 5 green marbles and a total of 20. As you noticed, 5 over 20 is not yet in simplified form. So we have to divide this 2 by 5, or the greatest common factor of 5 and 20 is 5. So we'll get 5 divided by 5 is 1, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the answer would be 1/4. What is the probability of picking a blue marble? Since there are 6 blue marbles and a total of 20, as you notice, 6 over 20 is not yet in simplified form. So we will simplify it as 3/10. Next, there are 10 blue balls, 5 red balls, 3 green balls in a container. A ball is chosen at random. What is the probability of picking a blue ball? Since there are 10 blue balls, 10 and 17 in total, so it's 10 over 17. What is the probability of picking a red ball? There are 5 red balls and 17 in all, so the answer would be 5 over 17. What is the probability of picking a green ball? 2 over 17. Correct. What is the probability of picking a blue or a red ball? Since there are 10 blue balls and then 5 red balls, we just have to combine these two. 10 plus 5 will give us an answer of 15 and then 17 in total. So the answer would be 15 over 17. What is the probability of picking red or green ball? 5 plus 2 will be 7 over 17. I hope you learned something today, my little math genius. See you again in my next video.